Let me enter.
You gotta enter yourself.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my 240.
No, not your two.
You said to pretend it's mine. So, let's do a tour around first. Gotta look at everything.
They've already seen it.
Okay. Well, maybe you got some new people who haven't seen a car of this stature before. Okay? Come on. Custom croc print.
What is it?
It's a 240.
What year?
I don't fucking know. Come on in. Come on closer. Come on.
Gotta edit that out.
Alright. So, you see these bad boys? It's had them for a while. The MB 3000s. Then we got these Cosmo 3000s.
They're not even Cosmo.
They are. That's it's a typo, okay? So he likes to have two different wheels on, just for, you know, some pizzazz. Come on in. This bad boy right here, I don't know what brand it is. I think it's pretty pimpin'. Came with car.
I don't like it.
It's pretty cool. Zoom in. It's that brand.
NRG.
Yeah.
We need to throw that away.
Pimpin'. Okay, and then this boy right here, made from the kneecap of my arch nemesis. Oh, we don't have any visors.
I have them.
He's a liar.
Who put that on? Who put that on, huh?
I don't know what you're talking about. You
Who
can't be
put-
repping this in here.
I gotta
Stupid.
bleep that out too. I don't even know how to bleep it out. So it's probably just getting cut.
What else do we have in here? You know,
We don't have anything cool.
I know. Ooh, the pride and joy. So, as great people once said, it's not big enough if you can't fist it, you know what I'm saying?
That came from a YouTube video and I don't know who it is. Got expired tabs.
I don't know what this is, but I don't think it should be on here. So I'm gonna call it the Wicked Spoiler 3000.
So you think wingless is the way to go?
Perhaps not, but not this.
Not this?
No, it's like sandpaper.
Well, I have another one.
Okay.
I don't know why your face is like glowing, so
Because I have a natural beauty.
deleted.
about me.
Anyways,
Anyway, but yeah, I don't like that, so we're not gonna talk about that.
you don't like the spoiler.
No. Let's see, what else do we got? Ooh, open up the hood. Come on, it's not a car video unless you open up the hood. Ah.
You know it's got a hood prop, right?
Yeah, where is it? Ah, of course. Yeah?
No.
No.
There's another hole. That's what she said. It's over here.
Got it.
What is this? What kind of engine is this?
SR. When did this turn into 20 questions? I'm telling you about your own car. So, this bad boy, she's a little hot.
I just drove it here.
Yeah, I don't know. Take a look. Custom piping done by yours truly.
No.
Yeah, no. Got it.
I wouldn't be able to make it here if she made that. Is that real or is that fake?
This,
Yeah,
I feel like it's just here for show.
it's just there for show.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
like most of the things in this car.
Okay. Ouch. What have I changed?
This boy took out the springs and put some coilovers on it. So now he goes.
They're not adjustable. Well, they're adjustable,
Yeah, but you
but
gotta like crank it out of them. See, I know that.
it's not bags.
Come on.
Why are they not bags? But you're supposed to say bags are for groceries.
I'm really close to my nostrils right now. Alright, what else we got? Oh, you know what you don't have? These guys.
Headlights? I have headlights.
Yeah, but like, they're not the cool ones.
What?
I know people out there have cooler ones than this, yeah.
No, I mean, it's subjective,
No.
but...
Where's your turbo at?
Down at the bottom.
Where?
Down at the bottom.
Where?
Don't touch it. It's hot. It's down there.
You can't even see it. Right, carrying on. Not much to see in here because it's not done yet. Do your windshield wipers even work?
Yeah.
Ooh, fancy. How about your windows?
Yeah. Well, this one.
Ooh, fancy. All right, let's remake this. Your turn. Tell me about your car.
Tell me.
Taking over, everybody. Isaiah. What's up?
So for reals, this is my 96 240 SX. I feel like you're zooming in on me or something.
I haven't touched it.
So it's a 1996 Nissan 240 SX. It is my fifth or sixth 240, third S14. Engine actually came out of my last S14 that was a 95. All of the parts are pretty interchangeable. The harness on this thing, the SR, I could plug it right in, so it was very easy to swap into it. All the mounts were made. I did get new mounts, but the transmission and everything bolted right in. I guess since I mentioned SR20, we'll start in the engine bay. It's a stock block, stock head, SR20. It's got ARP head studs and Cometic head gasket, and a bigger turbo, bigger injectors, and different MAF with a tuned ECU, just for more power. But there's some other goodies like a Greddy blow-off valve. That's what that's called, Sabrina. Yeah, that's about it. There's not much else special to it. Since she didn't go over it, I did a lot of suspension work, starting with the coilovers. They are Parts Shop Max or PBM coilovers. They're a very reliable company that makes a lot of different drift related parts for 240s, IS300s, JZX, and a few other cars like the BMWs and whatnot. Also, what I have done are PBM knuckles. They're modified to have better steering angle. I do have some GK Tech lower control arms, as well as some tension rods and tie rods and rack spacers. So full angle kit. It should give me a lot of steering angle once I have cleared everything. It's hitting right in here, so it's not like I can utilize it yet. I will be raising my car for the next drift event that I go to, and so I'm not excited to race my car, but I'm excited to drift, so I'll do what I have to. The SR20 is paired to a Z32 transmission with a adapter plate by Access Manufacturing. They also have the cross member and the short shifter. I have a one-piece drive shaft made by a company up here, D&D Drive Lines. They made it for like a few $100. Oh, it's got a welded diff, it's stock. Oh, and I have some GK Tech rear arms as well to pull the camber out. These wheels, I hate these wheels. I like those wheels, but I don't like the size of those.
What are these wheels?
They are not Cosmo 3000s.
Are you sure?
They are Cosmis XT005Rs. And they're very dirty. I guess I will go on to what I don't like about this car. So I'm gonna start off by saying that the wheel fitment I haven't sorted out. I had these wheels on other cars and I got those wheels for like $100, so I couldn't really beat it. First thing that I don't like about this car is with the angle setup that I have, I can't run a sway bar. and if I have a sway bar, I hit a lot of things. I plan to get one, but until then it feels really boaty. The next thing I don't like is the Z32 transmission. I like the transmission itself, but shifting is like shifting an R154. It's very clunky, and the excessive manufacturing bushings, it kind of makes it hard to shift, and my synchros grind into third and fourth. So I want to get a bigger diff so I don't have to shift as much, but that would leave me in third and if not second. So next thing I would say I don't like is the turbo setup. Turbo setup's okay, but it's a journal bearing, so it is kind of laggy, and it's not the perfect turbo for this car. Yes, it's proven it's a GT 2871, but it's by no means perfect. Other than that, I don't really know what I don't like. I haven't really drifted it. I can't tell you too much about it. I need to fix the front fitment and get different tires. Maybe just raise the car, but I really don't want to.
There's an idea.
This bumper makes it look like a Camry, but it's a bumper, so it's on there. I also really hate the interior pieces that I have in here. They're a lighter color. I wish I had all black. Obviously the seats suck. I do have the center console. I do have the door cards. I'd rather run no door cards because the ones that I have are complete trash. So I need to get new ones, just like every 240. The ECU is on the ground over there, but that'll get tucked up at some point. And this wheel, it's trash. I hate it. I have a Nardi. It's at home. I just need to put it in. But yeah, this is my car. It's ugly, but it works.
You're supposed to say, but so am I.
You think I'm ugly?
No, on most days.
Whoa.
I'm just kidding.
Straighten out. I don't know where she's going. She could have turned. Oh, good luck. Let's see if she can get it. Oh. Oh. Wow. You can't see that, but she's flipping me off.
I did it. Now what?
Take your foot off the clutch.
I'm scared.
If it's not in gear, it's not gonna move.
It's not gonna die?
No. You gotta push it out.